Okay guys, here we are with a refresh on our 2K spy pen. So this is probably one of the more popular products in our range. It is a video camera first and foremost, but it is also a pen. So let's go ahead and we'll open up the box and we'll get to the nitty gritty of it. There's not a lot to it, so this unboxing will be pretty quick. So go ahead, slide off the top. You'll find that you have your pen itself, just there with the USB slot. And then you have your nib. So the nib attaches to the bottom of the pen, it just screws on. So we just take that out, screw that onto the end of it, and then you can attach that to a piece of clothing or a pocket or something like that. You do also have a cover under here for the lens, so you can slide that up or down, so you can cover up that little lens there whenever you want. And then activating it is very simple. You just press the button at the top, and there's a small window at the back that'll give you a good view on if the camera's starting recording or stopping recording or what it's actually doing. So there also in the box is this little foam padding and a small little instruction manual. With the pen as well, there is a setup file on the computer that you plug into it, and that sets the date, time, and also allows you to adjust the resolution and the frame rate per second should you wish to adjust it from its maximum setting. That's all included with it. We'll touch on how to get it all set up on the computer and the little setup file and what to adjust if you need to adjust anything at all. Thanks for joining us guys. As always, don't hesitate to shoot us an email or give us a call if you have any questions or queries regarding any of our products.